Hi, I'm Aaron Murch from 2H Media. In this video, we're going to take a look at how to install apps on a Shopify store. From the Shopify dashboard, click Apps in the left-hand navigation. If you're working with a Shopify partner, or you're taking over for someone who managed the store previously, you may see one or more apps already installed on this screen. For now, ignore any pre-existing apps you see on this page. We're going to focus on installing a new app. To get started, click the Customize Your Store button in the top right-hand corner of the screen. When Shopify loads up the App Store, you may be asked to choose an account to log in with. If so, select the account that you use to log into your online store. Once you reach the App Store itself, there are a number of different ways you can find an app to install. You can find trending and top apps right here on the home page. You can also filter by collection and category using the drop-downs at the top of the page. If you're looking to install a specific app or a specific kind of app, you can also search for it using the search bar. In this example, we're just going to search for a review app by Shopify. Once you've found the app you're looking for, you're going to need to determine whether or not it's the right fit for your online store. If you're working with a Shopify partner, I recommend asking them to install the app on a demo store so they can test its features and functionality. Once you're confident that this is the app for you, navigate to its app page in the Shopify App Store and click the Add App button in the middle of the page. On the next page, you'll see a list of important information that the app will be able to access within your online store. If you're not happy with any of this information, your only option is to cancel the install and look for a different app. If everything makes sense, go ahead and click the Install App button to finish installing the app on your online store. Once you've installed the app, you may need to adjust a number of configuration settings. These will differ drastically from app to app, so we're not going to go into any detail on this section in this video. So there you have it. If you followed along with this entire video, you should now have a basic understanding of how to access the Shopify App Store and install an app on your online store. If you're looking for instructions on a specific app, keep an eye out for future videos. If you're not sure how to keep going on your own, I recommend reaching out to a Shopify partner to help you with an app integration.